Welcome to my channel.
It's about damn time.
So today my natural nails are pretty long, and you may be asking me, what's it like to be God's favorite? Well, that's not the case in this situation. I swear by this, just this product, just this OPI Nail Envy Nail Strengthener. Because my nails used to not grow at all. Once I started using this, my life changed. Anyway, not trying to get like too serious about that, but like seriously though, if you want to grow your nails out, just use this. I don't do it. I mean, I eat healthy. They say that like grows your nails out longer, but like I don't eat healthy all the time. But also like, just use this. Just use this. Eat whatever you want and use this. That's it for that. So I currently have gel on right now and I need to take it off. I've never taken my gel off before. I went to a couple stores for some things. Let me show you what I got. So I went to Five Below and I got this manicure set. I also went to Walgreens to get these acetone, 100% acetone. But I also saw
This?
they're these like gel remover pads. So we'll be the judge of that. They come in these little packages. Let's just see if it works. All right. One pad cleans one nail. Are you kidding? Are there 10 pads? Oh, and I also got nail polish. I'm not gonna do gel nails because I'm not feeling that ambitious. I just really need this off. So let's go, let's get started. Okay, never mind. Okay, let's get started. So one pack cleans one nail, and they don't really have like directions. They're kind of just like, use common sense, baby. But there is no such thing as common sense. If there were, we wouldn't still be in a pandemic.
Wow.
Oh, there are directions. File the top layer of polish with a medium coarse file to scrub the surface for easier removal. That's what they do at the nail salon. I reject Christmas themed nails at Christmas time. I know I have red on, okay? You're probably like, what are you talking about? Sometimes I don't like what I'm doing either. Okay, let's just assume that was good enough. Yes. Ooh, that's juicy. Miss Juicy, baby.
Miss Juicy, baby.
Okay. Okay. One hand's done. Let's see if I can do the other. There we go. Okay, this is what they do at the nail salons. Watch and learn, boys. Oh, so you take your acetone very carefully. Let's do one more, just for fun. And then you you just do this. Oh, I cannot put it on. Okay, we're just gonna have to see if this hand will come off first. Ooh, this is coming off really well. I don't know if I even needed the cuticle pusher, really. I think I got that nail thing for nothing. Except I do like that rainbow pouch. And this is what a cuticle pusher looks like. The more you know. Stupid! Oh my gosh, I need to relax the tension in my shoulders. This is your reminder to ease the tension in your shoulders, jaw, and forehead. There. Isn't that better? Zen. Alright, so I got the nail polish off on this hand. Let me show you how long my nails are. Like seriously, this OPI nail strengthening shit works.
I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but I'm so creative like that.
This could be you too if you use OPI nail envy. Ew, I'm not gonna be like that, sorry. Ugh, gross, I don't know, that wasn't humble. Anywho, let's do the next hand. Oh, I wanna soak my hand in some lemon water so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna soak a little bit longer and like zone out and enjoy myself, and then I'm going to remove the gel on this hand. So I'll just come back after I do that. Oh, this one does not look good. Whatever. Not gonna complain. This is happening for me and not to me. Whew, pretty. Okay, so next we're going to use this, the OPI Nail Envy, as a base coat, so that way my nails don't break. So not only is it lengthening, it's also strengthening. Then we're gonna paint our nails with this. And then I got an OPI top coat to go over it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Let's go. It dries really quickly, just so you know. Oh, I really like how it's looking already. Ooh. This is so nice. I feel like I don't even need 2 coats, but like always put on 2 coats. There's always time for 2 coats.
There's always time for a cocktail.
Ooh! This is the first coat. I feel really pretty. Okay, we're gonna let this dry. And then we're gonna do the second coat. I'm so excited. Okay, well, honestly, I'll just show you what it looks like when it's fully done. Okay. I'm finished. This is the final product. Yeah. I'm not impressed either. Before and then after. So, ew, I really don't like this. I'm taking this off. I can't. I can't. Oh, baby hands, I can't. I think I did good on them. I can definitely see where I messed up, but like, I don't care right now. It's good enough for me. That's pretty much it. I hope this was either entertaining or you learned something, or like, I don't know. But if you liked it, please like and subscribe. I definitely want to be making more videos, hopefully posting regularly. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's good enough, right? Okay. Okay, thanks, bye.